Testing 1, 2, 3. Update on pranic process is not happening anymore. We've done 10 of them, and the last one was really especially challenging because one of my demons showed up during a call with the group, and not proud of who I was then. It wasn't me, that was another entity. And gonna post a sunset instead of me talking because I don't want this to be used against me. And I'm thinking about deleting my channel because I want to devote my process or my spiritual path to Jesus Christ. I've want to share with you what I found out. Yeah, there's a lot to say.